up, my beautiful eye candy family? I am your one and your only lady of lenses. We are here today with another video. So I have to say something at the beginning because I have been saying Vooglam for the longest. It's a habit, but we have a Vooglam unboxing. Vooglam switched their name to Voog. I think it's Vooglam or Vooglam. It's Vooglam. So this is my Vooglam unboxing, so I can't really say my Vooglam unboxing. So I ordered a pair of glasses. I had two separate orders. I know in one order it was just one frame because I was looking through their website and I saw this unique frame and I'm just like, you know what, I gotta have it. So I'm not sure which box this is. This is how my box came this time. And I split it open. So this was different because I know prior it used to come in like their branded container, but this time it didn't. But it's okay. We're gonna unbox it this way. Anywho, this is the one that have two pairs. So we have one here and one here. So I'll have another video coming soon, which is one pair that I'm gonna unbox from Vooglam. So let's go ahead and get it right into it. Now, these frames I have on are from Vooglam or Vooglam prior to them changing their name. It's just some regular cat eye. It has like a little gold accent here on the corner. Very, very nice, you know, subtle type frame. Just kind of like, you know, it could be definitely an everyday frame because it's not over the top. So I chose to put these on today. Now let's see what we got, what we have. And I do remember that when I made this order for this unboxing, as you can see, let me show you this, the new branding. See this. Oh, trying to put you in there. Vooglam. I'm gonna say Vooglam. Sounds like that's right. Okay, so I did order two pairs, like I said. Now, one I think were a cheaper pair. I'm not sure how much I paid for them. I know I didn't get anything extra on the frames, but these are like a square frame. But I want to say they had a sale going on to where it was like $1 for the frame or something like that. And oh, anybody who watches this channel knows I like these. These are very, very nice. These are very nice. I really like these. They fit my face very nice. They are bigger frames, but for someone like me who really enjoyed the bigger frames, these would be something like an everyday frame for me. So honestly, after the video, I would actually wear this all day. These are like some, you know, for some people it could be statement pieces because it's a little on the larger size. But for me, like I said, hey, these are like some everyday nice black frames, you know, square frames, fit my face really nice. And it's like, yes, I really, really like those. Oh. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay. So okay. Oh my goodness. Okay. Whew, wait a minute. I have to get myself together. I'm not going to take that out. Y'all can get all that. But anyways, so the ones I took out the box are these. Now, I remember when I saw these, I was just like, you know what? I gotta have these. And I went between, I was like, no, I'm not going to get it because I was like, no, I already have, I think 2 or 3 that's in this color. And I was really, really wanting the pink. They have it in pink, but I could not, they're sold out and I could not get the pink color. So when I saw this, I was like, I think a day went by and I was like, no, I'm not gonna get them. And then I said, you know what, I'm gonna get them because I did not want to miss out on them like I did with the pink ones. So oh my goodness, I've been saying that these are my new style of frames. So I mean, but look at that, guys. Before I switch these out, I said I was gonna wear these all day. I may switch it because I'm telling you, these right here, anything with color just makes me happy. I'm just like excited. So anyways, let's try these on. Oh my goodness. I knew I was gonna like the style. I really did. Now, I would say something that catches me straight off. I don't know if it's because of my hair being down, the color of my hair. I don't know. I would say, or maybe because I have a black shirt. Maybe I need a shirt from the glasses to make these frames pop because they're not everyday wear because of the colors. They are definitely statement pieces. I would definitely, you know, go somewhere and it's like I have something planned for that day and I want it to be fun. We're going to talk. We're going to have a good time because people are going to ask about these frames because of the colors and, you know, they're bold frames. I've worn my black ones. I have it in the tortoise type frame. And I mean, I'm sorry, this tortoise type style. And people have stopped me all the time like, I like your frames. So I know these would definitely be like attention catchers, but you have to have the right shirt. But for the summertime, summer is coming, you know, I think these are amazing. I really, really like these. Now, I would not say these are everyday wear. Just like I said, statement pieces. But I want you all to tell me, which frames do you like? I want you to tell me what kind of frames are your everyday frames? What kind of frames are your frames you know like you got to put on for those special occasions? But let me know, which frames did you like the best from this Vooglam unboxing? Let me know if there's different frames that you like the most that I unbox. So I have a very, very special unboxing too coming up. So I'm excited about that as well, outside of the other Vooglam unboxing. But just let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for being a part of my channel. Thank you so much for being a part of my journey. And just, you know, I love frames. I love glasses. So just every day, you know, doing this makes me so happy, and knowing that other people can see and enjoy this with me, that brightens my day. So with that being said, we have Mother's Day on Sunday. I want to say happy Mother's Day. Outside of that, thank you so much for joining me, your one and your only Lady of Lenses. This is Lady Simone.